take so long to get ready. You can clarify this with anyone who knows me, that I take like an hour to get ready, and guess what? It's not due to makeup, it's because I just stare at myself in the mirror for too long. Is it a problem? I don't know. Yeah, I kind of know. Whatever. Anyway. No, it's not a false alarm. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Riza. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I've uploaded something new. So today I am doing a very short minimal makeup tutorial. This is what I do every single day, and if I don't do it, it's because I just chose not to wear makeup that day, which you should. You know, you should give your skin a little break every once in a while. So this is what I do when I choose to wear makeup, and it is so simple. Before I start my makeup, of course, you need to moisturize, prep your skin, like if you're a girl, you should know this. It comes in like the girl handbook of life. So I actually mix these together. The first one is the CEO vitamin C serum from Sunday Riley. I love this stuff because it helps to even out your skin, so your skin tone is nice and even. And then what I mix it with is the Glossier Invisible Shield. I've mentioned this before in my other videos. If you'd like to go check them out, you should. I'm just saying. They're pretty good. And I actually have videos. There was a time where I was uploading like every half year. Worst YouTuber right here. So after that is all said and done, enjoy.
I heard sirens in my head from the first time that we met. Thought it was a false alarm. Yeah, we started as a spark. Didn't think we'd come this far, but here we are. Oh, I'm dancing in flames. I'm dancing in flames. I ain't scared of the blaze. Don't rescue me. And now I'm burning in your arms, and there's fire in my heart. No, it's not a false alarm. No, it's not a false alarm. But here we are. I never get my hopes up, 'cause then I'll never get let down. But you were something special I didn't notice until now. I heard sirens in my head from the first time that we met. Thought it was a false alarm. Yeah, we started as a spark. Didn't think we'd come this far, but here we are. Oh, I'm dancing in flames. I'm dancing in flames. I ain't scared of the blaze. Don't rescue me. And now I'm burning in your arms, and there's fire in my heart. No, it's not a false alarm. No, it's not a false alarm. No, it's not a false alarm.
So babes, that's all that I have for today. If you liked this video, please like and comment what you liked, what you want to see more of in my videos. Also, come visit me on Instagram because I post there a lot more consistently, although I'll be trying to upload every Thursday evening on here. So that way we can kind of get into more momentum and you guys can see new stuff from me. Another thing that I do on my Instagram page is I do a lot of polls for what video I should be doing next. So if you want, you know, to put your 2 cents in for what you would like to see next, make sure that you visit me on Instagram so you could take a vote on the polls that I do on my story on a daily basis. So I hope you really liked this video. Make sure you subscribe and comment below what you liked in this video, and I will see you next time, babes.